Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know to use Git and GitHub in Android Studio. First, we will set up Git and connect GitHub to Android Studio. Then I will show you everything from uploading project to GitHub to committing new changes and more. Git is a tool we use to track the changes in our project, and GitHub is simply where we host our project where Git is enabled. Once we made a substantial change in our code to add a feature or fixing a bug, we commit the additional code as the code for that feature. Now let's set up Git and connect GitHub. So open Android Studio, click on Get from VGS. Now if you don't already have Git installed on your computer, install it by clicking here. Now Git is installed. Now we'll connect GitHub with Android Studio. Now click here. Now click Login by GitHub. Now our GitHub is connected with Android Studio. Next we will open the project which we want to push to GitHub. Before uploading to GitHub, we need to configure Git. Open command line from here. Use this command to set your name. Now set your email with this command. All the code, commands and everything is available in our blog. Link down in the description of this video. Now Git is ready. Open this version control tab and select share on GitHub. Now select the repository name without any space. Now we need to set changes of which files to be tracked by Git. Android Studio will by default select the right files. Click on Add to set those files and push the project to GitHub. Now let's see in our profile. Here's our project. Now let's see how we use Git. Let's put some random comments. As you can see, the lines are denoted by this green bar. If we do some changes in existing lines, we see this brownish color. Click on this line. Now if you don't want this code, you can rollback this to the last commit. To do that, click here. Let's put the same code back. Click here to open the commit tab. Here you can commit the changes. You can see all the files with any change in code. Double click to see the difference. You can see the new block of code is highlighted. Now if you want to roll back all the blocks of changes in a whole file to the last commit, you can right click and then roll back. This will roll back all the changes in a file to the last commit. Let's take the box and commit this change. But before moving further, our goal is to reach 100 subs. Please like and subscribe. Write a small comment here to identify the change and commit. Now the commit is added to our local computer. To push this commit to GitHub, go to version control. You can see all the commits which will be pushed. Click push to upload the changes. Let's see if the codebase is updated in GitHub. There we see our latest commit. Now let's say someone else is working in the same project and did some changes. In this case, let's see how we can pull the changes from GitHub to Android Studio. Let's add a readme file and commit it. Now to pull the changes, go to version control tab and click update project. Select the first option, which will merge your changes and the changes in GitHub. The second option will bring the changes and put your changes on top of it. Here you can see the new readme file is there. In this tab, you can see all the commits. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you are an Android developer, I have made a list of 1800 plus resources in Notion with over 900 plus Android libraries, 500 plus Android Studio projects all listed down here. Get it for just $3 with a link in description and support my work.